Namaskar. In this module, we will talk about the curricular expectations of mathematics at primary level. What are the curricular expectations? We will deal with this, and basically curricular expectations are the basis of the learning outcomes, and we will also discuss that what are the basic expectations for a child at primary level. So, our first expectation is that the children is able to count and understand the numeration system. So, our expectation from a child is that she can count and understand our number system. Next, our expectation from a child is that they learn conventions needed for mastery of mathematical techniques, such as the use of a base 10 system to represent numbers. So, base 10 systems are very important systems in understanding the numbers. Then we expect that the children may perform simple computations in her own way up to 3-digit numbers and apply these to their day-to-day life activities in different contexts. So, here we are emphasizing on 3-digit numbers, but we can also extend our this 3-digit numbers up to 4, 5 and more digits. So, they can easily generalize if they have their understandings up to 3-digit numbers. Our next expectation is to understand and use standard algorithms to perform operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on numbers up to 3 digits. So, basic understanding of the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is also our important expectation. And then our next expectation is learn vocabulary of relational words to extend her understanding of space and spatial objects. So, the understanding of space and spatial objects, which is a basis for the understanding of geometry, is also a basic expectation. Another our expectation, identify and extend simple patterns starting from repeating shapes to patterns in numbers. Patterns in mathematics are very important to understand the mathematics. Moreover, the patterns in mathematics also give interest in mathematics, and our next expectation is to develop a connection between the logical functioning of daily life to that of mathematical thinking. So, mathematical thinking is also expectation from a child to understand what they have been understood, and they understands shapes and articulates their observable properties as similarities and differences among them. So, understanding of shapes are also very important expectation. Our another expectation is to develop own methods of performing operations on numbers in daily life, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Another expectation is to develop language and symbolic notations with standard algorithms of performing number operations. So, the understanding of algorithm for performing number operations is also one of the major important expectation. Another expectation is to estimate outcome of operation on 2 or more numbers and use it in daily life activities. So, estimation is also very crucial or important in their daily life. Suppose they go to the market and buy some objects, and then they can perform addition, multiplication in buying some objects. Another expectation is to learn to represent part of whole as a fraction and orders simple fractions. So, understanding of simple fractions is also one of the major expectations at primary level, and our final expectation is to collect, represents and interprets simple data from her context and uses it in daily life. So, it is also our one of the major expectation to collect data, interpret data, represent data in their day to day life. So, we have seen that curricular expectations are basis for learning outcomes, and in our next modules we will also discuss what are the learning outcomes and how we connect the expectations with the learning outcomes. Thanks for being with us.